Yaje mzito? We are doing meal preps today. So first we are going to prepare some oats for tomorrow with chia seeds and some milk and some bananas and some berries and grapes. Yes, sir. And then we have some grilled chicken there. And we come up here. Some stir fry. Some plain rice. Some veggies. Fried veggies. Have mashed potatoes, creamy mashed potatoes, veggie fried rice, kachumbari ya kawaida. Then we finish it off with a fruit salad. Some oranges, some apples, lettuce. It has some cucumber and topped it off with Greek yogurt. And we are done. Done for the day.